into chambers of royal decree. You free your heart from all the guilt and shadows of sins you were made to see. Imposed on you by a reckless world, so imperfect, so proud and vain, where a snob approves not with a nod, but with a rapier's cutting blade. And I am love, your endless ocean, your boundless sky, your sacred shore. Come lose yourself within my waters, and you will never thirst anymore. I am the tide that calls you home, the rainbow shining through the rain. You are not lost, you are reborn. In love, you live again. You are wounded, not yet slain, among the dunes of all your pain. Reborn a poet once again, a herald bringing joy like rain. Your open, honest talisman, a smile born of a sensual breath. Why have you wandered lost for years, when love is stronger far than death? And I am love, your endless ocean, your boundless sky, your sacred shore. Come lose yourself within my waters, and you will never thirst anymore. In love, you live again. Let every wound become a doorway, let every tear return as light. Let all the borders fall between us, let heart meet heart beyond the night. No sin, no fear, no past can hold you, no shadow has the final say. There is a sea beyond all sorrow, and love will carry you away. For only in her you are ocean, gathering all the waters into one, an open gateway to the soul, where every drop becomes the sun.